We're here to talk to you about Roundable. Before we do that, just quickly introduce us. It's not often I get to do things like this. Just by way of giving you all a bit of my background, I'm a chartered accountant originally. I used to be a partner in Deloitte. My name's Michael Moran. And for the last wee while, I've been working in technology after leaving the world of accounting to go into the even more heady space of technology. I'm here with my co-founder, Matt Smith.
Hey everyone, pleasure to be here. It's been a great journey, and I look forward to sharing all of the amazing things we've been building at Roundable.
My name's Samuel Reed. I'm a Roundable advisor and also CEO of Geometric Energy Corporation, which is SpaceX's first crypto-paying customer, launching the Doge 1 satellite to the moon with XI protocol, and we're excited about collaborating with Roundable on some of our fiat onboarding possibilities. So I'll pass it back over to Michael to intro the talk.
Thank you, Sam. So what is Roundable? Roundable was essentially a concept that we were, Matt and I, both crypto enthusiasts. I was new to crypto. I didn't get my first crypto until about 2 years ago. And what I found really difficult about it was the actual process of going about finding how to buy it, the types of cryptos you could do, and then the actual process that you go through to actually purchase crypto. Roundable essentially was the answer to that. So Roundable is a simple, safe, and secure way to purchase crypto. It connects to bank accounts and it clicks to your own wallet on a non-custodial basis. Kind of more detail around that means that you connect to your bank account using the app. So you download the app from iOS or Android. You connect your bank account, so we AML you, they've AML'd you, makes it nice and easy. And then once you're inside our ecosystem, you then select the crypto that you'd like to purchase after connecting your own non-custodial wallet. And then once you make spending, it rounds up the spending and lands that into your non-custodial wallet. It uses roundup technology. You might have heard some other people that use that technology. So Acorns, for example. So when you make a purchase, say you buy a coffee for $2.50, it will round it up to the nearest $1, $2, or $3. At the end of the month, it then pulls that roundup amount and then drops that into the crypto wallet, the crypto of your choice. It allows for basketing, so you can have Link is in there, Bitcoin, Ethereum. You select the basket of goods, or you select individual ones, and then once a month it puts it in for you. It's super, super safe because we work with partners that have been in the space for a very long time. And we've obviously checked as we've been loaded onto the Apple AI Store and the Android Store. They do checks as well to go in there. We're fully licensed to operate as well. So that's the thing. It's a financial services product that's licensed within Australia, New Zealand, the US, and Canada. The business itself is fully operational, so you can download and use the app in New Zealand and Canada, with the US and Australia coming later on this month. It's very exciting for us because it's the idea of making crypto ubiquitous. Matt and I recently got interviewed by a magazine, and we talked about wanting people to get access to control their own wealth. Some asset classes like property are running away from young people now, but an asset class that's growing is digital assets. And being able to provide access to people in a really easy way is kind of the foundation for Roundable, really. The best thing about it, we connect through to banks. We're a legitimate company. A lot of crypto businesses struggle to be banked. We're banked in all of the territories we work in. We kind of allow people to use it as a saving scheme. But once the crypto's in your non-custodial wallet, because we believe in you should hold your own assets, it's the things that you can do with it then via the Roundable platform. So one of the integrations we've got is with a travel platform. So while you pay an app fee and some transactions fees in Roundable, the amount that you actually invest in Roundable and in your crypto via the platform is returned to you into terms of travel dollars. If you sign up for Roundable, we give you the opportunity to sign up to basically a platform that's similar to Expedia. And say for every $100 that you invest into crypto, we'll give you $50 that you can spend on our Expedia-like travel platform called Roundable Travel. The other things that you can do once it's inside our Roundable platform are the integrations that we've got with some really innovative off-ramps. We have a crypto pay gate that will allow you to buy cruises using the discounted travel dollars you've got, actually go ahead and buy a cruise. And the other thing we've got working with a company that's domiciled in New Zealand, same as us, is the ability to be issued a digital credit card that connects a MasterCard directly to your digital wallet. So as you're saving up through the Roundable platform, you can top up your wallet. We can issue you with a Roundable MasterCard, and that MasterCard will allow you to spend your crypto directly without needing to use the top-up function that you see elsewhere. So our current state, where we are at the moment, is being live in New Zealand and Canada, two really good markets. We've been approved to go live in the US and Australia, so we'll be launching Australia in a couple of weeks, the same in the US. And once we're in those markets, we'll start to market our business and try to make Roundable a household brand to help people to kind of enter into the crypto space. Because talking to people like my parents and my brother or friends that don't have crypto, whenever they've tried to do it, they found it difficult. But downloading an app, connecting your bank account, and then basically setting and forgetting to be able to do micro dollar cost averaging into crypto assets makes it safe and easy.
Yeah, thanks, Mike. I think it was a great recap of everything we've been doing at Roundable on the global sort of financial institution side of the crypto sphere. My background is I'm the lead dev of Roundable, and I've been working with Mike to really bring together a few things. There's a vision of a decentralized world, which I think we all agree on here and being at Chainlink, and also bringing crypto to the next wave in a safe and secure way. The biggest thing that I've sort of embedded in this whole project is offloading the crypto directly into their decentralized wallet. So there's no way to purchase through a centralized exchange or load your crypto into those types of wallets with Roundable. So it is something that we'll be working on teaching people the importance of their private keys, and the goal is, my mum should be able to safely use this to round up directly into a crypto that we have on the platform, and know that it's actually going into their hardware wallet and it's secure. There's a few things that we've been working on recently. So we are working on our messaging infrastructure. Obviously, we support a lot of different financial rails. We support SWIFT. We support ACH, EFT. We're also in New Zealand and Australia, which use different type of banking rails. Those rails go through our messaging infrastructure, and we then turn the fiat into crypto using decentralized pairs only, currently integrated on Ethereum and Polygon and Binance Smart Chain. There is a number of elements to the CCIP integration. Obviously, that allows us to then also integrate with any other private networks and other type of institutions that wish to provide this roundup service to their peers in different parts of the ecosystem. So a really important part of Roundable is our trade routing. So if you imagine fiat coming out of bank accounts and then directly into a decentralized pair, there's quite a few different things that need to happen for that to be an automated process, as well as follow regulations in multiple regions of the world. We have plenty of different node operators, and obviously taking advantage of the CCIP and different messaging protocols coming to the market, we're able to also, in a regulated way, ensure that institutions and other type of businesses, as well as consumers, can see the trust factor that we have here. We're proud to be, part of the Chainlink Labs and ecosystem yeah, really proud to be here after working alongside Chainlink for years and following all the different updates and progresses that has been made. I would love to speak to everyone a lot more about this. We are sort of coming into the end of this, so I'd like to hand over to Sam. There's a lot of different things that the Roundable ecosystem can bring together, and we're really excited to be working alongside Geometric Energy.
Thanks, Matt. So, yeah, there's some aspects of what we're working on with the XI protocol, Meta Oracle for price Oracle quoting, and that relation to Chainlink, as well as the Unizen APIs. So there's a variety of routing methods when they're talking about swapping from fiat into crypto and different, DEX aggregator pairings. So that's one aspect of kind of applications of integration possibilities of, in the most price optimal way, having the Roundable users being able to onboard from fiat into a variety of crypto of their choice. And then similarly, as an extension to some of the kind of in real life programs or travel reward situations, such as booking cruises, there is access to other Web3 connected space infrastructure that we're working on. So being able to essentially have space art or space ads that are paid for with the most optimal pricing in terms of crypto, as well as VR experiences in space. So we're launching a few satellites to outer space, both Earth orbit and lunar orbit, that have screen displays on them, as well as VR streams from them. So being able to access those things in a sort of Web3 space experiences program was something that we were looking at, as well as kind of community NFT art collections, like with Starry Night DAO, and contests for sending your art to outer space, and other ways that kind of creators of projects can get their logos of what they're working on noticed through some of these programs. And then also further sustainability solutions and kind of environmentalism applications with respect to something called proof of generation with Solarium chains. So there's kind of opportunities for having more environmental options and better sustainability compared to the traditional fiat banking system, or a lot of other crypto applications and technologies just using proof of work or energy consumption as proof of consensus. So we're looking at opportunities for proof of energy generation as what is determining consensus. So all in all, there's different kind of trade routing applications for being able to most optimally onboard fiat into crypto, and then what you do with the crypto can have different applications of interest, like some of these Web3 projects where you can engage in the space industry or art industry or travel or other things in real life too. So we were trying to work on that kind of bridge and boundary between DeFi and the real world, and utilizing experiences and obtaining access to things that normally you could only pay for with crypto, and then being able to pay due to doing these fiat rounding up situations that you have an available opportunity to send something to space or experience something in outer space, or have access to some of these things I've been talking about. So yeah, maybe I'll kind of wrap it up here, pass it back over to Matt or Mike. But
I think that's a good example. The old phrase used to be, the world's your ocean, or then the sky's the limit, and now we're all talking about space. I mean, the thing about Roundable that makes it special is that it's a licensed fiat on-ramp in all of these large economies. Once we enable people to on-ramp their fiat in a licensed and safe way, there's lots and lots of things that you can do with it. So Roundable itself is actually the first point of an ecosystem that will grow as we hook more partnerships into the ecosystem and build out the user cases. Travel, crypto, space. Where does it go next? Anywhere we want to go, really.
Yeah, it's a great way to sort of summarize it. We've got a QR code up there. If you guys are in different regions where Roundable isn't available, go ahead, scan, sign up to the wait list. We are approaching Europe, so it's really good to be here and see how enthusiastic this space is. We've had a lot of different projects that, with projects with decentralized pairs, anything's possible through Roundable. So yeah, thanks for having us, and we'll look forward to talking to you soon.
Thanks, everyone.